Hi, I'm Carter Forrester. I'm a third-year Indigenous Studies co-op student at Trent University. I'm part of Zowski College, and I'm working at Lang Pioneer Village Museum for my summer co-op. So at Lang Pioneer Village Museum, in my typical day, when guests arrive, I'll go and show them everything that we have down here at Obnobin Camp. I'll show them some of the medicines that we'd have at this table. I'd also tell them about the wigwam that we're in the process of building right now. I also like to show them down here where we have a little kitchen area. I'll make some tea and show off the guests some tea. And we also have some furs down there that I like to talk about with the guests. So really every day I'm just teaching people that come down about some of the history that have been provided to us by Curve Lake and Hiawatha reserves. When I'm at school, I want to pursue more positions where I'll be able to take part in the learning experience for other students. As well as in my future career, I found that I very much enjoy teaching people. With the guidance of Indigenous communities, I find that I may go into a teaching role in the future or some role where I'm able to take part with assistance of Indigenous communities and teaching about reconciliation as well as Indigenous history.